Stop filled.
Wow. I kind of felt like that was going to happen. We might be seeing a lower break before we actually move up. Or we tank. No. Uh,
Order
Alright, I'm in.
filled.
A little fake out move lower before we take off. Actually, I kind of like
Order
this.
filled.
I like this. I think we're going to move off of this candle. Or I think we're not moving lower, I mean. Well, that's the same thing. Um, so my average is about 40, 75, 75. Decent reward. I'm going to try to match it with the trading view chart for you guys. See if I can get it. Yeah, that's good enough, I guess. Not much. Want to see how we react to this BPR. You know what? I'm gonna sell one at this BPR. I don't really like how much I'm risking anymore. Come on.
Target filled.
There we go. Currently up a little over 100 on the day. Taking into account that loss earlier. I need price to move through this though. We need a break above and then we need to stay above. This is I like how it's reacting right now. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I don't really want it to go below or back into the fair value gap. Okay. Okay, this is a nice move. We should deliver. We should deliver pretty soon. Here it is. No, there's no way. Should I exit? Should I exit? I'm tempted to exit right now. I don't know if we did. We make a. I don't know. Anyways, my stops are in or break even. Don't see much structure above. I mean, we could get into there.
Target filled.
Let's go. Whew. Ah, good trade, good trade, good trade. As I was editing this video, I realized that I never showed my NinjaTrader chart, and the reason is because I have TradingView on this monitor and NinjaTrader on this monitor for executions, and OBS doesn't let me record, or it doesn't let me like put both of them on the screen evenly. So if you guys have any ideas for like a layout, please leave that in the comments below. Link me somebody else's video. If not, I'll be researching that over the weekend. And yeah, anyways, here it is on Apex's website. I made $576 on the day. All right, let's break down this trade and figure out why I entered and how I can improve. Right now we have these three draws on liquidity: London highs, London lows, and daily sell side. The 9:30 open, New York Open, created this equal high with London highs, broke structure, continued down, took out London lows, and then we took out daily sell side. We traded below the lows for a few minutes before reversing, breaking structure again, and shifting bullish. As ICT says, smooth edges like to be made jagged, so our next draw on liquidity is these equal highs. Classic market maker buy model formed, took liquidity, break a structure, retracement into a fair value gap, targeting these equal highs. This would have been the best entry for a long, but I didn't take it because I woke up as this was happening. Now this is where my trade came into fruition. Nice bullish momentum, leaving 3 fair value gaps on the way up. At this point, you don't know if it is going to retrace, but these fair value gaps are my potential areas of entry. Now, if it were you and you were to go long, which fair value gap would you enter? The first one, the middle one, or the bottom one, and why? Well, if you entered on the first one, you got clapped. If you entered on the middle one, you could have survived depending on your entry. And if you entered on the last fair value gap, congratulations, you found the best entry. But why? Did you choose the last one because you were scared of price cutting through the first fair value gap? Well, if you look over here, we didn't even retrace into these lower gaps because there was nothing significant to the left of it. We traced into the first fair value gap and then we bounced. Did you choose the last one because you wanted a better risk reward? That's a good reason to, but it can't be your only one. The best fair value gaps are the ones with structure to the left of them. See, we have this breaker right here, price got supported, and then we have structure right here, so this should be the best fair value gap to enter on. So I entered here with the stop loss below this candle. We move up right away, confidence is getting higher, but then we came back and took out my stop loss for a small $125 loss. Now as we keep moving forward, I like how price is still closing, how price isn't closing below this fair value gap. So I decided to enter again right around here as we made this new low. We started moving up nicely, so I entered another one on the same candle right above there. Start moving up, and just like my last trade, my stop loss was below my entry candle's low because I was predicting that this would be the new swing low. Now the best bet would be to put your stop loss below there, so it would have been like right there, which is the candle that created the fair value gap. That's where you want to put your stop loss, or you could actually put it below the swing, but either way it doesn't matter. This little risk, I probably would have put it below the swing, but yeah, that would have been the best bet. Somewhere during the trade, I realized that the top fair value gap became a BPR, which is a balanced price range. We see we have bullish fair value gap and a bearish fair value gap overlapping each other. And I decided that this would be a good place to scale out of one lot. So boom, we hit that. I scale out like somewhere in there for a little over $200. So now I'm up on the day. As we get above it, I want to see this BPR support price. So this right here was a good sign. This right here, pretty good still. This right here scared me because it was a little bottom heavy, but then we moved up. Right here, buy side liquidity off this new swing high is my target. Moving up. This scared me right here because I didn't know if we were diverging with NASDAQ, but we kept going. And then we hit our take profit. This was a semi-risky trade because we already took out buy side liquidity here, so we could have easily moved lower from there, but there was also a 15-minute or a 1-hour fair value gap above that we could have kept trading to, which is the reason why I still entered. All in all, I made some profit and sharpened my sword in the process. Luckily, I didn't get caught in this move, which could have happened right here after taking out buy side liquidity. That's it for the video. Before I go, I want to mention that Bulanox is running a 70% off lifetime discount until the 28th. Use promo code REVENGE70 to capitalize on this deal. And yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. More videos on the way. I'll see y'all next time.